Hey guys, just wanted to go over my new Swiss Volcano stove cook system. It's got a latch here that holds everything together. Top piece is a cup. Comes with a bottle. It just comes with has a cork, but I haven't had any spillages. I haven't used it very much though, so we'll see how that works. You can use the base here is the stove. You use this portion for filling it with the wood. You can heat your water up in your cup directly, or if you use this part of the latch, the wire latch, put that inside the stove, and then you can heat water up in your bottle. So I'm gonna get my wood prepped and we'll fire it up. Okay, got my wood broken up here. Got some toilet paper, crumpled up toilet paper in the bottom there, and just got a cheap old flint and steel here with some magnesium. We'll give it a strike here, see how we do. There it goes. Alright, well, I'll let this burn down a little bit. Put my bottle on, and I'll be back with you. Alright, it's been going for about 3 minutes now. Just keep adding sticks here through my square hole in the bottom. And as they burn off, I just push the ends back in, the unburnt parts back in. Putting out a decent amount of smoke. My wood isn't the greatest quality. Just some dead stuff I found here right next to where I decided to stop. But just wanted to show you where we're at, and I'll keep you posted. Well, it's been about 10 minutes now, and looked like it was starting to go out. Maybe I tried to pack it too much, I'm not sure. So I've been blowing on it. It seems to have brought it back to life pretty good, and I decided to put the cork on loosely. I don't know if that's going to help anything or not, but obviously I didn't want to put it on too tight or it would pop off if it started to boil. Maybe splashing hot boiling water, which would not be a good thing. So that's just on there loose, and just keep blowing on it a little bit here and there. And well, I stopped adding fuel about 5 minutes ago because I've got a really good basic hose down there, and I could see the water moving inside the bottle like it was getting ready to boil. Alright, well, I wouldn't call that a rolling boil, but as you can see, it's definitely bubbling up there. It's been 20 minutes, almost right on the dot. Alright, well, I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. Thanks for watching.